under the auspices of the Agomenya area head, Apostle Dr. Samuel Kojo Gakweto, area head for Agomenya area, and wife, Mrs. Grace Gakweto, and the district pastor for the Akosombo district, Pastor Richard Osei Opoku. The Church of Pentecost, Agomenya area, Akosombo district, invites you to join us for our homecoming 2026. It will be a time to renovate our central auditorium. Theme: restoring and strengthening the legacy of our forebears. The date is the 15th to the 20th of September 2026. Venue: Akosombo Central, the Church of Pentecost. The activities include Tuesdays, 15th of September, 6:30 p.m. opening day. Guest speaker: Apostle Dr. Samuel Kojo Gakweto, area head, Agomenya area. Wednesday, 16th September, 6:30 p.m. Heroes Night. Guest speaker: Dickness Philomena Mreku, National Women's Director. Pastor retired S.K. Minta, First District Pastor. Apostle Stephen Ochri Achampon, former District Pastor. Elder Adai Ampoma, Garland Soldier. Thursday, 17th of September, 6:30 p.m. Impartation Night. Guest speaker: Apostle John Obeng Kese, retired. Friday, 18th September, 5:30 p.m. Hallelujah Night. Guest: Elder Dr. Kwesi Miracle. Saturday, 19th September, morning 6 a.m. Gospel float and lunch buffet. Then on Sunday, the 20th of September at 8:30 a.m. is the climax and mega offering. Our guest speaker: Apostle Samuel Jewobobi, General Secretary, the Church of Pentecost, and wife, Mrs. Juliana Koko Obobi. Remember, it is the Homecoming 2026 and Central Auditorium renovation. Be part of the celebration. Let's together renovate our Central Auditorium to the glory of God. Come, let's strengthen the legacy of our forebears.